The SISRI initiative was initiated during the SEEDS conference in Samoa in 2014, and the objective was to assist small island states to reduce vulnerability and strengthen resilience to climate change and natural hazards.
I really enjoy coming to the SISRI meetings because it brings together all these DRM practitioners from not just the Pacific region, but we're also learning from our Caribbean sisters and brothers. And so some of what they've been presenting, have given me ideas to go back home and, try to apply where I can.
I discovered SISRI in Italy. As a matter of fact, I was invited to go to another session. And I passed by and I look at the discussion and I invite myself. And the thing is that because there is a lot of experience that you can share with people, you can learn from each other. And that's what attracts me.
I'm from Suriname and this is the first time we're attending, and that some issues, even if it's a country on the Pacific Ocean and Suriname, you have the same issues on government level, on planning level. So that's surprising to hear other practitioners and not, let's say, a consulting telling you that there's a problem in other countries. So that's interesting to know, and how people deal with it.
I recall when I attended the first CUR conference in England, it was difficult for small island states to actually get an appreciation of what was happening because it was more on a global perspective. But coming up with this community, we can actually pull out practitioners who have experience in certain things and to learn from lessons learned, best practices for our own implementation.
I think it's playing a key role in getting to understand how the different aspects of risk can be tackled in different contexts, but also how to make the link between these immediate situation after a disaster when it strikes, and then you have to react very quickly, but also see this as an opportunity to actually build back better and prepare for a more sustainable, longer term development process.